In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fill-in-the-blank line in Google Docs. This is a great way to create documents for teaching purposes, questionnaires, or any form in which you want someone else to provide their input. To start, let's head over to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is where all your documents live in the cloud, making it easy to access them from just about any device. Once you're on Google Drive, you'll want to click on the New button. This button is typically found in the upper left corner of your screen and opens up a drop-down menu of options. Select Google Docs from this menu to open a new document. Now, with your blank document open, the first thing we'll do is click on Insert, located at the top of your screen in the toolbar. This menu offers you a variety of options for adding elements to your Google Doc. We're going to focus on the Table option, so scroll through the menu and select it. You'll be prompted to choose the dimensions of your table. For this task, we're aiming for a simple 2x1 table, as this will provide the space needed to create our fill-in-the-blank line. Click to insert your table in the document. After inserting the table, you should see a 2-cell row. Now simply click inside one of the cells of your table and type anything you'd like. For instance, you might write a question or a prompt that needs a response. If necessary, you can adjust the table to suit your needs. You can resize cells by clicking and dragging their edges, making them larger or smaller as needed to fit your text. Next, we need to make the borders around the table invisible to simulate a fill-in-the-blank line. Click on the Format option in the top menu and select Table Options from the list. Here, you'll find an option for changing the color of the table's borders. Set the border color to 0 pt, which effectively makes it invisible, giving you that clean fill-in-the-blank appearance. Having done that, hover over the bottom line of your table. Look to the top of your screen for the option to adjust the border width. Choose 1 pt to create a visible line under your text, providing that authentic fill-in-the-blank look. You've now successfully created a fill-in-the-blank line. It's possible to replicate this process multiple times within the same document, allowing for as many blanks as needed. By following these steps, you can easily design forms, quizzes, or interactive learning materials that include spaces for readers or students to fill in their responses. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to practice a few times, and soon you'll be a pro at creating fill-in-the-blank lines in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.